Now, here's another topic, binary subtraction from your chapter 1 number system. Again, there are some rules to follow binary subtraction. As 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 0. Till here, whatever you do in your maths, it is same. But here, when you do 0 minus 1, it is 1 by taking borrow 1. This rule you can understand with an example. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So you will take borrow from the another number and then you will subtract. For example, when you subtract 3 minus 8, it is not possible. So you always take borrow from the next number, that makes it 13 and 8. 13 minus 8 is 5 here, but left 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. So this way you always do. The same method we will do here in the binary subtraction. Let us understand with an example. 1 minus 0 is 1. 0 minus 1 is not possible. You will see the next number. If it is 1 and here is 0, so you can take a borrow, that will make 1 0, as you make it by taking 1 here, 1 3. Same way we will take it 1 from this and this will become 1 0, and here this will remain 0 as 4 become 3 minus 1. So same way 1 may say 1 minus, you subtract and then it becomes 0. So 10 minus 1 is 1. As 10 is equal to 2 in binary, in decimal, in binary 2 is equal to 10. So that means 10 is 2, so 10 minus 1 is 1. Same way here also 10 minus 1 is 1. Here the 0 is there. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. As you can understand it with the quick verification, always have it at the 0th position 1, double it with 2, next unit number double it 4, 4 4 8. So you can see wherever the 1 is there, you add up all those numbers. 8 plus 4 12 and plus 1 13. So this number is equal to 13. Same way here, wherever the 1 is there, 8 plus 2 10. So this is equal to 10 in decimal. So the answer should be 3. As you can see the ones here in the answer, it is 2 plus 1 3. This means our answer is correct. Same way you can do the another example. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 0 minus 0 0. Now 0 minus 1 is not possible. So you take the borrow, this becomes 10. 10 minus 1, as you always remember, the 10 minus 1 is always equal to 1. So here it becomes 1. 0 minus 0 is 0. To do the verification, as you can see, 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16. So wherever the 1 is there, 1 was here 16 plus 2 18 plus 1 19. Here it is 8, 8 plus 1 9. So it becomes 10. 8 and 2 10. So that means our answer is correct. Now with another example, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is not possible. It will become 0 and here it goes 10. 10 minus 1 1. 0. 0 minus 1 again it has come. Again you take borrow and 10 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus is 0. Same way you do the verification and your answer will be correct. For your practice questions, take any some examples like this and do the answers in your notebook. Thank you.